Hi guys, welcome back here, and today we are going to deploy Windows 10 from our server to our client machine, and how we can do it. Like here is our Windows Server 2016, and we have also a workstation WKS1. This one is our workstation. We have installed in our previous videos Microsoft Office is installed. So we will take an image of this operating system and we will try to deploy it later. So how to do it, how to capture the image and deploy, we will learn in this video. So in this case, first we can have a look what we have in our server. So we have like DNS server, DHCP server, WDS. These three things was added, and how to do these things we have shown this one in our previous video as well, step by step. So we can DHCP is very important here. Our workstation is connected through the DHCP, and of course we have to make the scope also for the DHCP. We made it everything before, so everything will be clear if you look our how we made DNS, DHCP and ADDS. So now have a quick look in local server. The computer name is server 1 and our domain is amidom.local, and our IP configuration is same as like before what we did in our previous videos. So now we have to add the roles. So if we want to do this deploy, we have to first add the roles, like Windows deployment service. So it is going, so this is under the server, and I'm going to the next, and Windows deployment service. This option I want to add. So I have clicked here, then I click next, 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 and then I will install. It will take a while, few minutes to be ready. So we can see that our Windows deployment service is already added. So when I press close, so I can see WDS is here in this part. So it's ready. So we have to configure it first. So how we can do it? In tools, Windows deployment service is here. Then I click, then I can go to the server, and then server this one, and then I right click and configure, right click and then configure. And here these options, ADDS of course all are active, DHCP is active, DNS servers also we have in our network. So this everything is done, so I click next. So here I have to integrate with the active directory. Yes, this one I will select next, and here is the path. I will select it. In our machine we have also E drive. We want to select in E drive. It will make a folder called remote install. So let's make the E drive. I will change the location. Automatically it will make a folder there called remote install. So I click next. Both are okay. I just click and both are okay, then I will go to the next. So I want the response to all client computers. This is needed. So I just click next and it has done. So I click yes, it's ready. Now it came here. So I will make it all task, then start. This is very important here. So first what I did is this server, and I make it start. It successfully started Windows deployment service, and I can have a look our folder remote install is already installed here. I can check these properties. Sharing is already shared. I can check it. Read, this is okay, this is fine. Sharing advanced, I can, if you want any permission, these all are fine. So our next part is the creating the boot image. Now next part is creating the boot image. How we can do? We can click a boot image here. Right click. I will go to the server. .local. Then boot image. Right click. Add a boot image. And then I have to put my ISO file through my DVD drive. So here is our DVD drive. I will change to Windows 10 and then 32-bit finish. Yes, it's okay. So now D drive is on. So I'll browse it from the D drive, source, and boot to him. Then next. So it is going to install. So I can just change little bit here, like Windows 10. I also can change here Windows 10. Then next, Windows 10 setup. Then click next. It takes a while to be ready. Then it's finished. So this is the boot. Now this is the boot image is be done. Now I will capture it. The boot image. They create the capture image, and this is the boot image was done. And I will make a change the name. What will be name? Like capture Windows 10. Same thing. And here the browse. In the browse I have to put the location where I want to put location, the file name. I will click and tmp. Sorry, it's not there. It should be in our E drive. Remote install and tmp here. In the new volume remote install tmp. Then capture image. It will be saved as like WIM file here. Then open. And then I click next. It will take a while to be captured. Capturing the image. So this is the image was created successfully. I will press the add and then finish. And this is already done. So I will back next. Then I press finish. So this is our captured file. So now we can see that this is done here. Now we have to make a group, like install image group. At image group I will make like Windows 10. Press OK. So our group is done. Now I go to my workstation. Now this is my workstation, and here I will go to C drive. In C drive I make one folder with one kind of name. Here this how it will work in the next coming moments. It will be clear more. Windows here, system 32. I have to use a Sysprep, and Sysprep is here. So let's check this one, and I will put this one and then this one, and then shut down. Before the shutdown, I will take a snapshot. Yes, this snapshot is that it will VMware will save in the moment and I can return to same situation. So I click Samuta, then I click OK. It's working. So if it doesn't work, then uh, there is some different process. It means like that Sysprep validation error. There are a lot of reasons can be Sysprep validation error. It can be some programs is running and interfacting, so need to reinstall, or you can run some command in the PowerShell to check. System is shut down, then we have to run here again. When we run, we have to for an adapter, network adapter, then we have to press F12, then I will press the capture image. So I click next, so I can see here D drive. So in the D drive I have to give any kind of like name, like Win 10x86. So it can be named like any kind of like Windows 10 86. Just a name to keep. Now what's next? So here in this case we have to browse and keep our this where this folder we have to select. Sorry, it is here. So one kind of name I have to keep like Windows 10 86 into let's see Win file, and then I click this one, and this is like server one. Which server it is you can check from here. The server is our 01 server. So like content name was Amitom, then administrator password, and then now it's connected. Now I can see Windows 10 image, this group Windows 10 server. Now it's capturing. So now it's finished. I guess Palmis. So I don't need this one anymore. For example, this is, I made it power off. Then Hi guys, so now I can I have to boot it from another machine. So here it is our machine where there is no name of this machine Windows 10, but there is no operating system is there. It's totally blank. So I have, this was the machine where we captured the image. This is the server, so I will deploy it here. So I have to boot sequence. From here I have to choose network from board, and then let's see what is coming. And I have to F12. Now it's coming, so I have to deploy. So now I did capture, so I deploy is Microsoft. This is Windows 10 setup. This is deployment, so I have to choose the first one. So now installation is going on successfully. So the installation program is running. So it's asking for the region, language, and the country. So I'll show me is okay. I will Sarawak. Then it's asking for the administrator password. Administrator, and it was like password. But I think we are doing a mistake here again. We have to write here Amidom first, because it is belongs to our DNA server, like Army Dome. Like, then I have to give a location, then administrator, then password, then I place OK. Now it's running, everything is fine. This Windows 10 is going on. Now I have only one partition hard disk here, 60 giga, so I want to put it there, no problem. I select it. Now its installation is going on. So this is the way we have to install the Windows 10 deployment. So here it means installation is running successfully, so let it run B, and then automatically it will be done. All the image will be captured, and here it will be pasted. So let's see how it is going on. Here this is machine is almost done, so now it is going on. We already got our new machine. Here let's see our programs, what is there. You can see the office is there, because we did not install here any office. And this is our WKS1. This is our workstation, and we captured this image of this operating system and we installed it here. So this is the process we have done. So I can see that I have done the same thing, and even if you go to the C drive, you can see the same thing as like this machine image like this. If you go to the C drive, then you can see what is there, and this is the APU. So what I did with this one, like this machine, this folder was empty, and we made boot it from there. Actually it was the booting drive was D, so it makes a file there, and try to install from that one, and it copied whole the image here. So now it's almost the same machine as like this one we made it. So this is the thing for today, and I think that you have learned. This is our server, and this is the thing, and server is down here because So now the server and workstation, and we have already deployed into a different machine. So this is the thing for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your patience.